Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make Marvel weapons at home. Before we dive into crafting, remember that safety is paramount. Always have an adult supervise if you are under 18 years old and wear protective gear such as gloves and safety glasses. Ensure your workspace is well ventilated and only use materials that are non-toxic. These precautions will help you create amazing replicas safely and responsibly. Let's start with Thor's mighty Mjolnir. You will need a dense foam block, a sturdy PVC pipe, and some craft foam sheets. Begin by shaping your foam block into the iconic hammerhead, roughly 8 inches by 8 inches by 16 inches. Next, securely insert a 10-inch section of PVC pipe into the foam for the handle. Finally, use craft foam to add intricate details and texture to the hammerhead, giving it that authentic, battle-worn look. Next up, Captain America's iconic shield. For this, you will need a large, circular piece of sturdy cardboard or foam board. Cut your base to a diameter of 24 inches for a truly impressive replica. Carefully paint the shield with the classic red, white, and blue concentric circles, ensuring crisp lines. Finish by adding a perfectly centered white star using a stencil, bringing your patriotic shield to life with precision and flair. Finally, let's build Iron Man's powerful repulsor gauntlet. Start with EVA foam sheets, cutting and shaping them to comfortably fit your forearm and hand. This flexible material is perfect for creating the armored look. For that signature repulsor blast, embed a small, battery-powered LED light into the palm. Secure all your foam pieces with hot glue, then paint the entire gauntlet in metallic red and gold to achieve that unmistakable Iron Man aesthetic.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.